Hello, here we have another motorhome just arrived. The Rollerteam Autoroller 694. 2012 62 plate. Let's have a walk around. First of all, a bit of an LED strip outside there for the night time, and we've got the Fiamma F45S awning. Nice bit of external storage there. Reversing camera. Double bike rack. Your hook up there. Gas locker. I think that'll fit 2 gas bottles in there. And let's go inside. No need for a electric step on these because it's a really low step. If we go inside here, bit of a dining area, but we'll first look at the front. A couple of captain swivels chairs. You got the air conditioning, 6-speed manual, cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors, storage, cup holders. Done 49,000 miles, I believe. And your reversing camera up there. Let's look around. You got a fixed double bed, which is very popular. People love them. No need to pull the bed out or whatever you need to do. Just jump on the bed. Job done. Nice large fridge and freezer. And you got your storage along all these lockers. Oh, all your book packs, etc. there. A couple of 240-volt sockets, and you got your sink, your 3-burner hob, bit of storage there. Whoop. And your Tetford oven down there. Cutlery drawer. And let's have a look, because this is quite a nice large bathroom. Large mirror, separate shower. Nice little touches. Little towel rail there. Obviously you've got the pop-up skylight there. Shelving. And your electric glue there. Yeah, nice size. Overhead storage as well. Nice large wardrobe. But yeah. More storage. I think we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overhead lockers. You've got your control unit up here. You've got a couple of little USB points here, Siglighter points. And that's your unit up there. Gives you all your regular information. That's where it is. That's quite a nice little place for your awning winder out. Down here you got your heating. Truma heating system. Hot and cold water, obviously. And if we have a look back here. Yeah, there we go. Nice big area. Quite nice and open. Oh, another socket down there, hidden away. And then let's have a look at the back, facing forward. Here we go. Skylight above your head. Got these little reading lights as well, all round. As usual, it's just a little preview. One thing I did notice as well, on the doors here we've got the interior lockers, so you got double protection when inside the cab when you lock them. But more information on our website, openroadcars.co.uk. Cheers.